guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be doing a simple daily makeup look without using any foundation or concealer. So without a further ado, let's get into the video. I have already washed my face and I have nothing on my face right now, and I'll be toning my face for the first step. And for toning I'm using this Dabur Gulabari Gulab Jal. So for moisturizing and for priming my face, I'm using this Vitra Naturals Aloe Vera Gel. So I'll be using this aloe vera gel all over my face like that. For lips, I'm using this Himalaya lip balm. So guys, for the next step, I'll be using this BB cream from Pond's. I prefer BB cream more than the foundation or concealer. I think if you don't need it, if you do not have any pigmented face or something, and for the daily makeup, you should switch to BB cream more than foundation or concealer, because I think they damage your skin more than this, and it is at the same time it is not easy to use them. And for the BB cream, you can directly apply it and it blends easily and fastly also. So for the daily makeup look, if you are an office going or a college going girl, then I think switching to BB cream is best for you, as it is not time consuming. Do not drag your any makeup base with a beauty blender. Always just do dab. So as you can see, it has instantly given a cute glow on my face. Lakme Absolute Perfect Radiance Compact. Just dabbing little amount of powder on my face. So for the next step guys, I'm going to be using this ATS blush. Next step guys, I'm going to use this highlight palette from Face Palette Collection Beauty CF. Now guys, I'm using this Color Queen makeup kit to do my eye makeup. Now I'm using this Maybelline Colossal Kajal. Now I'm taking a little bit of highlighter to use it at the corner of my eyes. So I'm using this lip crayon from Lakme. As you can see, I have used it so much and now this much only left. for my video, guys. Let me know in the comment section below that how do you like this. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.